What's good, up next, family? It's your boy, up next. Now, come back to the video. Hey, man, say, man, look, alright, today we're gonna be making a homemade sponge, bro. Alright, I got this piece of foam. Now, look, it's a lot of different foams out there. You got the little spiky foams. Y'all know the foams that y'all be using in studios. I'm not talking about the ones that got like the ones that's like triangle. I'm talking about where it's like kind of spiky. It's spiky instead of like all triangles like this. I'm talking about it's spiky. So, and then you got these, and then you got this regular piece of foam. This is like one of the cheapest pieces of foam that I can find. So, and I just found this around the house. So first off, the first step is, oh yeah, make sure y'all go follow all my social media. You know what I'm saying? Hey man, say man, back with another video, you feel me? Alright, so look, we're doing this foam video, homemade foam video, you know what I'm saying, from foam. My thing is, you probably want to make it like hands length, you know what I'm saying? So your hands probably gonna go about to like right here, cause you're gonna want to get a grip on it. You're gonna want, it's a square, you're gonna want to get a grip on it. I'm gonna take my knife, you feel me? I'm gonna take the knife. Alright, so I cut straight down. It wasn't pretty like, it wasn't that straight, but I tried to cut straight down, and yeah, that's the best I could do. And it's kind of curved off to the side, but it's all straight. So my next step is, alright, so all I did was I stabbed it. Once I cut down straight and I stabbed it, and I went all the way to the end. Alright, once you got your little square piece, you feel me, that really like fits your hand, you just want to make it fit your hand, right? And bro, I didn't say this was going to be the finest sponge in the world, bro. I just said you're going to have a homemade sponge, and this sponge is going to be able to get you FreeForm dreads, bro. That's what I said. And actually, I started off with the homemade sponge, actually. I started off with one of those yellow sponges. If you got a yellow sponge, that would be even better. It's already like in the shape of, y'all know them little washing sponges that y'all be washing y'all sinks out, where, you know what I'm saying, y'all be washing dishes with. Yeah, those work too. All you want to do now is poke you a hole in there, however many holes you want. You know what? I'm going back to the knife. Make sure you don't stab yourself, bro. And then with your finger, kind of stretch it out. What I did was I tore me a piece out. You know what I'm saying? So all you gotta do is stab, twist it a little bit. And tear the piece out. Make sure you stab it enough though. You want to kind of get it deep, bro. You want to kind of get it deep. And I'm dead for real. Like, this is a dead for real process. A homemade sponge, bro. Like, I mean, bro, the thing about it is, in 9th grade, I done this with the yellow sponge. I'm not sure. I think I had like some sharp ass scissors though. I don't think I had no knife. I think I had a sharp scissors. And what I'm doing is I'm just poking it with my hand, bro, and I'm just tearing it. I'm just pulling it out. Let me tell y'all something else, bro. The bigger y'all make your holes, don't make your hole too big, because that's gonna be really forming your dreads. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm definitely gonna make more than 6 holes, bro. The holes are really forming your dreads. Not the size, not like the exact size. Your dreads are not gonna be the exact size, but the holes are what's gripping your hair. You understand what I'm saying? If you had just this little flat surface, it's not gonna really grip it. But the holes are in there for so your hair can really grip on too. Like I told y'all yesterday, bro. Of course, if you got straight hair, you cannot do this. Bro, y'all gotta show some love in the comment section. Y'all gotta show me some love, bro, cause I'm doing this junk for y'all. Shit. My dreads already formed, you feel me? Y'all just I'm gonna do another dread Q&A too, cause y'all be hitting me up on I'm probably gonna have one out Monday. I'm probably gonna have a dread Q&A for y'all Monday. Y'all keep asking, and I understand like the factory sponges, they holes be small. Like some of them holes be small. Like you don't want that. I think like I showed y'all my auntie sponge, bro. Her sponge was like her holes was like kind of small, bro. I don't think you really want that. Y'all, I just found out the best technique. All you gotta do is stab it. All right, if you have a knife like this, all you gotta do is stab it and then twist. Cause when you twisting it, watch out for your hand. When you twisting it, bro, it's making its own hole. And then now all you have to do is go in the hole, dig out the stuffing. All right, I kind of messed that hole up, but it's gonna be good. I messed that hole up, but it's still gonna be straight. All right, y'all, but y'all already see the finished product, man. All I did was take a piece of foam, bro, poke some holes in it. Well, actually, I stabbed some holes in it, and I just pulled it out. I thought I was gonna be able to use this, and I was just gonna stab it, and then I was gonna twist it, but it did not work. So I had to use the knife, and the knife actually worked pretty fine. It don't look the best, but I'm telling you, y'all, I'm telling you, bro, this is more effective than those factory sponges. Those factory sponges, they're just meant to look good. They're just meant to be shaped in a sponge. They got them little small holes, but this right here, nigga, yeah, this right here, nigga, I kind of messed up on this hole, but it'll be alright though, you know. So all you do is grab you some foam. If you don't have a sponge, grab you some foam, grab you like a sheet of foam or whatever type of foam you have. Now, if you got those little spiky foam, if you got that spiky foam, bro, you do not need to poke holes in yours. Just if you want to add you a wooden handle, all right. So if you want to add you a wooden back to this, add you a wooden back. Start twisting, all right. So yeah, I poked 9 holes in this, man, and yeah, bro, there y'all go. The cheapest way to get you a sponge. This is a homemade sponge, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you hit that like button down below, turn on post notifications, hit that subscribe button if you're new, y'all. Also follow all my social medias. I'm gonna catch y'all folks later, bro. I'm gonna do a Q&A just for y'all too. Video each and every day, y'all. Y'all already know what's going on, you know what I'm saying? I'm eventually gonna get into double uploading, but yeah, you know. So folks later, bro. Peace.
Hey, my window. Hey, get that bag, ho. Stack it all up when it caught me a patty. Steam right top out, adding off a trench. Didn't graduate, but I'm good with mathematics. Standing in the trap, I'm trying to double up and